Imagine getting constant FaceTime rings from numbers you don't recognize or calls that turn out to be spam. It interrupts your day, distracts you, and sometimes even feels a little unsettling. Your iPhone 17 actually has a built-in filtering system that can quietly separate unknown or suspicious colors so you only see the ones that matter. Here's how to turn on FaceTime call filtering. Open the FaceTime app. Tap the menu icon, the three short lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap Manage Filtering. This will take you straight to the FaceTime settings. Under the Call Filtering section, turn on the switch next to Unknown Callers to filter calls from numbers you don't recognize. When this is enabled, missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers are automatically moved to the Unknown Callers list. Below that, make sure the FaceTime Spam switch is turned on, so FaceTime can block calls detected as spam or fraud. If you want even more control, you can also enable Silence Unknown Callers. Turning this on will silence calls from unknown numbers, send them to voicemail, and place them in your recents list without disturbing you. You can return to these settings anytime if you want to adjust how FaceTime handles unknown callers. If this helps you keep your iPhone 17 free from unwanted interruptions, give it a like, or check out another tutorial to learn more ways to protect your privacy. Thanks for watching.